Hi, I'm Yağmur.
Hi, I'm Gerd.
Hi, I'm Matt.
Hi, I'm Julius, and this is Morty.
But who is Morty? Morty is the AI buddy for line workers. It consists of a wristband, a chest camera, and an earpiece.
And is made to help line workers spot mistakes the second they happen.
So they have time to correct them before it becomes a problem.
So how does it work? Firstly, we put on the earpiece, the wristband, and the camera. And then we are ready for error-free work. We are showing a use case of the assembly worker. We have 2 boxes and a board with 3 holes. We are running a local machine learning model that recognizes motion and usual work patterns. Once our model spots a mistake, it notifies the worker. And if you are unsure what's wrong, just ask, "Hey Morty, what's wrong?" And Morty answers.